Begin by unpacking the InvisiDoor. The kit will include 2 side panels, 3 horizontal panels, a face frame, a back panel, 3 square mounting blocks used for the installation of the hinge kit, and shelves with shelf pins. If you ordered the optional InvisiDoor cabinet doors, you will also receive the doors with all of the needed hinges and fasteners. Collect all of the tools that you will need: brad nailer, wood glue, rubber mallet, safety glasses, and at least 3 clamps. Assembly will work best if you start with the face frame on a flat working surface with the grooved backside of the face frame facing up. Apply a bead of glue to the 2 shoulders of the vertical groove that the panel will make contact with. Only the biscuit-style fasteners are pressed into the deepest recess, so there is no need to put a full bead of glue in this recess. The longer vertical panels will be installed first. Be sure that the dadoed grooves of the side panel line up properly with the dados of the face frame. Use the rubber mallet to tap the panel into alignment. Repeat this process with the other vertical panel. Press the panel into the slot and use the mallet to make sure it fits tightly and is sealed all of the way into the groove. The next step is the installation of the 3 horizontal panels. Glue will be applied to the slots in the face frame and the vertical side panels for each of the horizontal panels. The dovetail shape of the end of each panel needs to slide down into each side panel at the same time. Repeat this process with each of the other panels. Use a mallet to make sure that each panel is seated completely into the groove. Wipe off any excess glue with a damp rag. It is recommended that you clamp each of the side panels to the face frame while the glue dries to make sure that the face frame and all panels fit tightly together. After the glue has dried, remove the clamps and test fitting the back panel onto the bookcase. Ensure that the board fits properly, including the grooves on the back panel, pressing down completely onto the horizontal panels. When satisfied, remove the back panel and put glue in each of the grooves that the back panel will fit into. Put the panel back in place and press it firmly down into place. Use a brad nailer to fasten the back panel to the rest of the InvisiDoor frame. 1-inch long brads are recommended to be installed. Nail the back panel to the vertical side panels first, spacing the fasteners 3 to 4 inches apart. Be sure that the joints fit tightly together and hold the nail gun at a slight angle so the brad doesn't come through the side panel. 3 scored lines are visible across the back of the panel to show the location to nail the back panel to the horizontal panels. Apply pressure to the back panel while fastening to ensure a tight fit of the back panel to the panels you are nailing into. Flip the bookcase over and wipe off excess glue with a damp rag and allow the glue to dry. The RTA InvisiDoor bookcase assembly is now complete. However, if you ordered the optional cabinet doors, don't go away. Stay for a couple more minutes as I demonstrate the cabinet door installation. Optional cabinet doors can be easily installed onto your InvisiDoor. Door kits can be ordered to fit the upper or lower bookcase opening. The cabinet doors give the bookcase a more complete built-in cabinet look. However, it should be noted that installing cabinet doors will make it less convenient to open and close the bookcase. For cabinet door installation, you will need a tape measure, pencil, a drill bit, and a Phillips screwdriver. Remember to wear safety glasses. A speed square will be helpful, but not mandatory. Insert the 2 cup hinges into the pre-drilled holes in the back of the cabinet door. Align the hinge to be squared to the door and drill 2 pilot holes. Drive the provided hinge screws into the pilot hole, fastening the hinge snugly to the cabinet door. Repeat this process for the other doors. Make a mark 2.5 inches from the corner of the face frame. Drill a pilot hole at that location, centered on the face frame for the first hinge. Measure the distance between the center of the hinges to find the distance to the next pilot hole. Align the cabinet door with hinges over the pilot holes you just made. Install the screws to attach the hinges to the face frame using a Phillips screwdriver. When the doors are installed, close them to check the alignment of the doors. Use the adjustment features of the hinge to adjust the doors correctly. Congratulations! Your InvisiDoor assembly is now complete. For details on how to properly install this InvisiDoor, watch our brief InvisiDoor installation video.